UAE and these latest PMI numbers coming in expansion territory. We've seen a pickup in business activity and, I think, most interestingly, a pickup in business confidence as well. What do you think's driving this?
Good morning. So we did see the PMI numbers just drop a couple of minutes ago. It's another expansionary. It hovers around the mid-50s and has been doing so for most of this year. So I think, it's safe to say that we are in boom times in the UAE. We're seeing this driven by, I think, 5 factors. One is continued post-COVID recovery. If you look at the aviation industry in Dubai, for example, we're getting close back to pre-COVID peaks in terms of flights. I think that's one of the factors. There's also higher oil prices, I think, which are going to be driving the regional project pipeline and also driving liquidity in the region. And that's related to the third factor, which is, I think, the localization of financial services. We're seeing a huge number of buy-side firms in particular, but also investment banks and others opening offices in places like Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi expanded its nominal GDP expanded 13% in the second quarter on the back of this kind of activity. We're also seeing a strong push on reforms, particularly as competition from Saudi Arabia increases. The UAE has responded with a very strong drive on business-friendly reforms and driving foreign direct investment. And I think the final factor, sorry, there are quite a long list here, but the final factor, I'd say, is also regional geopolitics.